What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's the 29th of November. We're taking a look here this morning. Aerodrome Finance / United States dollar, ticker symbol AERO USD. This is the daily chart, and Coinbase is where this price data is coming from here. We have a fading here this morning of Aerodrome. We're up 1%. We were up quite a bit higher. Got pretty close to the 144.50 overhead resistance level, but not quite. We are pulling back. So between yesterday, Thanksgiving, the 28th, today, the 29th, Thursday, Friday, we are actually finding support at the overhead pennant pattern resistance line. The top end of that pattern, the line there, you can see that was resistance on 15th, 16th, 23rd, 24th, 25th of November. Broke out above it on, what was that, Friday, Wednesday the 27th, and we're pulling back to it today and yesterday. So very nice to see what was once a level of resistance getting flipped into support so far. This all correlates to right at my 140710 level, which we're slightly above right now. So ideally, a close above that would be good because that would send us up back towards the 144.50. But overall, this thing is just still very quiet and in a much larger consolidation with a upward bias. You can see chopping around little mini trends within this large consolidation, but it does have a upward bias to it. So we're keeping an eye on that. Let's take another zoom in here. So what we're seeing the past couple days, we're really seeing it last night. We're seeing it today. We're seeing a lot of different cryptos really popping off to the upside. We have PNG, Pangolian popping off to the upside. We have arcblock. I believe that took place yesterday. We have XRP moving, XLM. That's kind of all I see here on my watch list, which isn't too large. So we'll see what happens here. It's only a matter of time until I believe the next leg up here for Aerodrome starts to take place. But again, we'll be following that, one day at a time. It all starts with just one candle that either starts an uptrend or starts a downtrend. What we have here going for us, we have higher lows. We have a higher high printed on Wednesday. So far, yesterday's low is, again, just another higher low. We do have a lower high today, but we also have a higher low. We have an inside day so far today, as well as yesterday. Inside days means we didn't make a new high. We didn't make a new low from the previous day. It's inside the previous day's trading range. So, that is that. Again, guys, patience. People were saying in the comments, it's not popping off, whatever, it's dead. I get it. Been there, done that. I can tell you what happens a lot of the times. Of course, there's no guarantees to this. This is the way it seems to line up, right? Let's say you're sitting in something like what XRP, or you're sitting here in Aerodrome Finance, and you're seeing all these other coins, like here's PNG popping off to the upside, making a new recent high, blasting through overhead resistance, right? Here's the thing. You'll sell your coin, your token, whatever cryptocurrency you own, because it's not running. And then in the same day or a couple days later, it'll blast off in the direction that you need, which usually people want it to go higher. That's just the way it works. I've been there. It's not fun. I've sold. I've watched it move. You buy back in, it goes down. You got to have a plan ahead of time and just stick to it. That's the best non-financial advice I have for you guys, okay? But it's funny, you'll see it happen. If you sell your Aerodrome, it'll pop off like 2 days later. It's, for whatever reason, that's just the way the universe works here. Especially in a, obviously not in a, trending higher market. But in this market right now where coins are, popping off every other day, when Aerodrome is just sitting here tight consolidating, its time will come. Let's not forget, okay, that we've been covering this for a long time, and we were covering it back in here in the original breakout, which was the 12th of September, which faded and failed. And then the 13th was the confirmation. And then boom. So this thing has gone from 60 to $1.41. So, let's not forget that. So patience, guys.